Let's start. Today we will see how to change the opacity or transparency of an HTML element using the CSS. In the body tag, we have two image tags. Both the image tags have class names, image1 and image2. In the style tag, we have written the CSS for these images. For the image with class name image1, we have set the default opacity as 0.5. And for the image with class name image2, we have set the opacity as 0.6. But this opacity will come into effect when this image is hovered by the mouse. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, this first image has an opacity of 0.5. And when I hover the mouse over this second image, its opacity reduces. So that's it. That's how you can change the opacity or the transparency of an HTML element using CSS. Thank you.